Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like water sports?
I enjoy water sports because they are enjoyable and a fantastic way to be active and healthy. I also get to learn about and appreciate nature when I do things on the water, and I like the challenge of learning new skills.
Question number 2. What water sports do you like doing?
I love being in the water and participating in a wide variety of water sports, such as swimming, kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, and rafting.
Question number 3. Are water sports popular in your country?
Aquatic sports are gaining popularity in India. Many Indian households now have enough money to go sailing, water skiing, scuba diving, and kayaking. For these sports, the country has a number of rivers, lakes, and coastlines. The government has encouraged water sports as part of the tourist promotion campaign and the adventure tourism development strategy.
Question number 4. Why do some people like water sports?
Many people like water sports because they are a great way to get some exercise, keep their minds active, and connect with nature. Others like water activities because they give them a chance to spend time with their loved ones and have an experience that will stay with them forever.
Question number 5. What are the disadvantages of water sports?
There are some problems with water sports, such as the chance of getting hurt because water is unpredictable, the need for the right safety gear and training, and the high cost of some of the more advanced water sports.
Question number 6. Did you like to spend time in water when you were a child?
When I was young, I did like to play in the water. I like to swim, go to the beach, and learn about the ocean and its animals. My parents also took me out on boats, which I thought was a lot of fun.
Question number 7. What water sports would you like to try in the future?
I plan to learn windsurfing, surfing, and sailing in the near future. I think both of these options are great for people who want to get out on the water and do some sightseeing. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.